Hello friends, today we are going to analyze about Nifty and Bank Nifty for the week ahead. This is Yogesh and you can see that we already draw some lines. So we will remove few lines which is not needed now. So as you can see here, I'm going to remove this. So these lines are belong to our previous videos which we draw. So I'm just going to remove few lines. Let me do it on a quick note. Yeah, okay, so I removed few lines which is not needed now. So you can see this candle is belongs to one daily candle, and I think if you saw my previous videos, so we discussed that if the prices are under this line, so we will not see the upside. So you can see that it comes to gap down and then keep rolling on this range. This is a range you can see. So if you see that the price is here right now around 16 to 45, okay, and the nearest support is almost around this level, which is 16,157, which is below to this level, okay, below to this level, and higher of this candle. It's this one, 16,170, 157, and the other support is come here, which is around 15,962. You can see it's very close to this candle. So maybe on the Monday we will see that gap down or gap up, anything. So we will see the price action, then we will take a trade accordingly. If we see the gap down, so we will do nothing. We'll just check after around 30 minutes that what will be the price action, like it's coming down or coming up, going up. So we will set up the trade according to that, because as you can see the market is keep falling on a downward, and maybe it will take a support over here. The main reason is this: if you see in the June 2021 till July, so market create a very good support over here, and it will be very hard for the market to come down to this level. Maybe we can see one thing, that if the price came down over here, so maybe we will see this range for the few months. Maybe we will see the price action will only move on this area till April 11, or around like all the April maybe, because after that maybe we will see that the price came more downwards, or maybe we will see the breakout. The main reason is that the Russia and Ukraine war is going on, and we can see that on every day few statements coming from each and every point, that Russia, sometimes US, and sometimes Ukraine, and so that's why maybe we will see the price range on this level. So maybe if after 1 month, if these things are still going on, we will may see the downward after this level, or after some time maybe it will be resolved. So maybe we will see the upward breakout over here, and maybe we will see the fresh breakout over here. So if we see the 15-minute time frame chart, you can see the war was started on 24th of February, and today is 6th of March. So the war is going on, and you can see the gap down, the gap up, gap down, gap up. All the things are going on. Okay, but on a broader way, if we see the 1 hour time frame chart, yeah, over here you can see on the 24th March, we will get a gap down. Okay, after that we are still moving on this range. Do not carry any position for the long or short, because we don't know what will happen in the coming days. Maybe we will see good news or bad news. So the prices goes according to that. You take a trade, so just do the intraday. Don't do the long term trade. Like for the stock and for the people who are buying stocks, so it will be good time for them to accumulate few stocks, which is good, like index funds, like Nifty Bs, Bank Bs, Gold Bs, and some good stock. I will share the list of stock in the coming videos, like which are the good stock and which are the bad one, which you don't need to invest in on those stocks, according to me. So if you see, there is no trend right now. It's just based on the news. So according to me, if we see about the prices and the intraday setup, so if we goes up to this level, which is 16,350, maybe we can take a trade for the long, and the target will be this point, this higher point. I will mark a point. Let me do this. And for the second target, second target will be this point, the lower level of this handle. Let me reset it so it will be, I think, more clear to us. Yeah, you can see. If we goes up to this level, so the prices goes to like the target will be this one, first target, second target, and the third target is this horizontal line. We create this line on that. I think if you saw my previous video, so we just join the top point 1, 2, 3, okay, and we get this trend line. On the downward, if we see the downward, so the price goes down to this level, which is 16,150. So yeah, I think we already created few supports over here. So yeah, so the price first target for the downward is 15,960. Second target is very down to this level, which is 15,375. I think below to this level, we can take a target of 100 points, like 900, 900, then 800, 700, 600, then 500. Then this is our last point for the target. My own target, which is over here. Where is that? Yeah. Let me go to the daily time frame. We created this one. My own target is this. Like, if we see the downward, so maybe we will see this one, 15,350. And maybe we will see the price goes move down to this, and the round off area will be this one, 15,000. And if it crosses below to this, so the round off area will be 14,550. Because over here there are so many, there is no support and there is no nothing. You can see the round off area. Maybe we will see the support over here on this point, which is 14,750. So this is enough for the Nifty. We are moving to the Bank Nifty. Okay, so as you can see on the Bank Nifty, I think I remove all the lines, all the support and resistance. So let's do one thing, that let's create a support and resistance, a spectral triangle. So if we create a spectral triangle over here, I just join the bottom to bottom line and top to top lines. So we get the spectral triangle on a daily time frame. You can see. Okay. So each and every candle is belongs to day, 1 day candle. So what happened over here? And if the price on the Monday will continue to go down, so on this point, which is the lower point of this point, we will take a short trade. The target will be a very good target, because you can see in the last few months we took a support over here, then here. When it came down in the month of December and January, we took a support over here. Now it came down again to this level. Now the thing is, this level is very important to us, because we took the support over here 3 to 4 times. If we came down to this level, so maybe we will see this level, which is 32,840. If we fall more, so the target will be this one, this below to this. Okay, the last target will be this one. Let me show you why I choose this line. This will be the final target, because you can see the price, whenever price going to this level, we are getting very good recovery. So maybe if we see any price action over here, like bonus star or anything, so maybe we will take a trade for the long, and the stop loss will be the bottom of that day. And if the price continue to fall, and so we will see these levels. These are the final target, which is 30,400, and this one is also one of the target, which is 3550. If we taking any trade and came down to this level, so we will book our profit over here. So after that, we will see what's going on, like if the price are still moving down, so we will continue to take a trade on downward, and the stop loss will be this point, these points. If it come up and goes over here, so we will exit from the trade. And if the price goes up to this level, which is this one. Okay, so maybe we will see the upward on this channel. So we will take a long trade after this point when it crosses this white line, because it will be coming inside the spectral triangle and it will be the positive sign for the bank nifty. Let me go on a 1 hour time frame. So as you saw in the nifty, we are in the price range over there, but here you can see that the prices are on a downward. There is no range in this pattern. So because of Ukraine and Russia war, the main effect is on bank nifty, because banks need to get money back from the lenders, so it will be hard for the bank to recover the amount. So that's why the bank nifty is keep going downward, because in the coming future we don't know what will be happen in the Ukraine and the Russia. NATO will come to support Ukraine or not. It will be very like tense situation over there. So we will see the things in the future what is going to happen. So let's see. So now I'm just creating some line, which is this one. If the price keep moving downward and if it not cross this point, so we will not see the upward. What will be the sign that maybe we will touch these lines, and this will be like a triangle. You can see this is a horizontal line and this is a our resistance. So maybe whenever we will see the breakout. So after the breakout, let me take a brush. Yeah. So let's see. We will see the breakout over here. Okay, the price goes down and it goes up. So we will not going to take any trade. So when it's going downward like this, and then it will take a support over here. And when it's going up, so when it cross this level, so when it take a support over here, so we will take a trade on this point, and the target will be these lines, which I created before. The target will be this, and maybe we can book our profit over here, and maybe we will take a stop loss, because over here there will be many shorts on a call. So maybe we will see the very upward, and we will touch these points, this one or this one. So it is depend upon the scenario. I think this is enough for this video. So we'll see more videos on stock Nifty, Bank Nifty, and mutual funds, SIP, more on the financing side. So so get in touch with me. You will see more videos like this.